Your Excellency, sir, I must say that you deserve a prolific, titanic, and colossal honorific ability, Thaedoboy and encomium for actually granting us the avenue to have this impromptu and abrupt tete-a-tete and indaba with you. I must say, may the instigator and progenitor of this cosmos continue to propel you and keep you at the zenith point that you are in.
I have told you before now. Whenever you want to talk to me,
okay,
say what you want to say and leave. And if you are not ready to say what you want to say, you can still leave too.
No, sir. Let me actually go to the crux and focal points of why I peregrinated to this locus with my offspring and kiddie wing. It is because of the states of the impecuniosity and destitution that have engulfed and enveloped the three of us. It has disintegrated our Benji and Tom, and there is no even notch and grub for us to masticate to our Benji and Tom, sir.
So what are you saying?
Sir, you know, these are my two sons.
okay.
Since their poor mother died, things have been very, very rough. On God, there's no money. We're not even getting cases anymore. You can take a look at them.
It's a pity.
They are in a state of impecuniosity. They are in a state of starvation. Even our house friends, tell him now, tell him.
Sir, as you can see like this, we are not even going to school. We are just playing. We are not even going to school like this now. We are very, 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 very ugly. We are eating for 3 weeks. Can you believe that? No, just some nothing water man will drink. Instead, you talk about wrong diet.
Sir, anyhow you can help us, please, sir. Anyhow.
It's okay. Stand up. Don't do that. Poor children. Stand up.
Let's watch this video.
But you never told me that you are married.
Actually, I like to keep my private life private. I don't like to put it out there. That's why I did not want to bother you. It's not that she died. I'm even looking for the money for the burial and the casket. So, but I don't know how you can assist us.
It's a pity. It's okay.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Call your account number.
Very good.
Thank you very much, sir. 55.
You don't know why it's going on.
7894.
I've sent you 1 million naira.
Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus.
It's okay. Stand up. Stand up. It's okay.
God bless you. Yeah, I appreciate you. So let me.
Jesus. That money, we go share for you. We go share that money for you. 50-50.
Let's go outside first.
Nobody's going any house. Nobody's going any house.
What's going on here?
Nobody go for you.
Sir, don't worry. We are just.
The last time I asked them to act like a children, only carry the toilet. Go. Share. It's all protection. We go share that money for you. 50-50. Yes, sir. Ain't no way we go share.
Barrister.
Okay.
So this is how you go about with these two kids extorting money from people?
Actually,
And I sent you 1 million naira?
I'm still grateful, sir.
What's going on here?
Barrister. Yes? Join me to thank God. They have reversed the money.
Hey, sir! This person.
I'm Robert.
Can you send it back?
If you stay here for 1 more minute, if I call the security, you won't like what they will do to you.
You see what you call? You see what you call? Gaga to gaga.
I got the advice from a madman. Beautiful angel. Why are you doing all that awesome? Hop in the car.
Mr. Man, are you okay? Can't you see I'm with my boyfriend?
What kind of promise is this? My boyfriend. Come on and get out of this.
Girl, what are you doing under this hot sun alone?
Mr. Man, are you blind? Can't you see I'm with my boyfriend?
Oh, please. You see, you're alone now. Hop in, let me go and spend money on you. Hop in, you'll see something.
Hello, babe, where are you? You just take me at that place.
Baby, don't worry. I'm with you in the car now.
Yeah, I can't see you.
Jesus! Still chief here with your friend.
So you like doggy like this and you go dey pretend? A very bad boy.
It's actually power of money for real. Shopofo has turned to woman by choice. Mozkoh on this one, let's go.
That my crush. My beautiful Milele. I know say you go carry sacrifice past here. Now make her dey wait for you since. And that wait till they happen. You know say me I love you. And I give me your number and I'm the package online. Wait till they sub now that. I know say you dey hurry because of the sacrifice. Hey, come on, buddy. Now today I dey carry sacrifice. Normally if you carry sacrifice, now like this you go do am. And you must not look back.
The spirit's waiting for the sacrifice.
What did they delay my child? This one I never chop. Just because they carry my food go now.
And I come from who they talk. Ada. Hey, which guy wahala be this?
Ada has disappeared.
I tend to look back. Is there any guy at my back?
Mozkoh has entered one chance.
Ada, why they do like that now?
I go attend to other things.
At least you will let me know. If not before the love where I gave for you, I suppose para pass like this. Oh. Yeah, you don't do that. Put your number for me. Rush, go help you drop the sacrifice.
Okay, you do fast when you pay my money now.
I mean, okay, I don't small now. I don't small for the area.
Yeah.
So that's why you rush come on leave me last night, because when they do ceremony for us. See them now when they wear white shirt like this now, see them with Kate.
You don't go turn back. Hey.
Wait till they won't go do now. Why they go okay they look me like this? Let me follow the talk.
Una see am? Where pass?
Mama just pity for the boy, Jerry. Now small begin they worry. You know that is how humans behave. Now wait on.
Are you not the one we are looking for?
I forget to come on my cap. Hey guys, register on isbae. Use my promo code Mozkoh and get a chance to win 300% bonus on your first deposit. Don't forget to press take part on the offer page button, Barca 1x Accelerate. From there you can place bet on the FC Barcelona matches. You can even collect tickets and win prizes. So don't miss your chance to participate in the massive prize fall on isbae and be one of the 350 winners. You know hard, use my promo code Mozkoh.
What's happened now? Leave it close now. What's happened? Bros, I just buy bread for this woman. I don't need to chop the bread. What's going on? Money not in my hand. I told me she come to me, go ask, go bring money. She not the ginger. For bread? I beg take jaw. Bros, you pay for me. Hello? Did they meet my brother? For where? What you do? I did come. Bro!
What did you say about my brother? Do not trade my brother. You stay away from my brother, cause I say so.
Leave my brother alone!
You dey mad? The brother they owe me 1K dollars. You dey? When I bond this guy, come here.
Who amongst you that hold my baby's hostage yet?
Who na be? Your baby owe us money, and if you no pay, you no come up for here.
Anyway, Sha, me I don't like talk too much. I go give you 2 options like this. Option 1, when I go either free my babies, make my babies go. Or if when I decide say when I won't beat them, when I guys beat me and my girls first. I be girls not so. Second option, when I go free my babies, make my babies go. So that me and my girls will go do now way. I mean, you don't like it serious. No, bros, don't not choose now. They quit best. Don't not choose.
Relax.
They could have only not choose.
So you like doggy like this and you go pretend?
Are you good? I'm fine.
Now why we they call him goat? Now why he always turn up? He go turn up.
To help you.
For all users on Wednesday bet, once you register Wednesday bet, using the promo code Thaedoboy, you get
They will beat you for all these things that you are doing.
300,000 bonus that you used to get before. Just have a link in my highlights or link in
That will
my
be the end of the comedy.
Don't forget,
That will be
the
the
bigger
end
the deposit, the bigger the
of
bonus
you
you win.
acting
What's
this
my
comedy.
the mega bonus promo?
Well, this papa is favoring him, and I think he should keep on with it.
They actually offered me the job, but I had to turn it down. Don't worry. Why? Babe, they offered me $30,000 per month. But they wanted me to be there every day, 9 to 5.
What is wrong with that? What's wrong with that?
Who's going to take care of the kids?
Babe, the kids? Babe, 30K does? You're a funny woman. Hey, no! Arrange yourself. Don't worry, I'll show you I got the power. It's not kids. Don't worry.
30K.
Nanny. Yeah, I become. No, you can't take it no more.
I am not a nanny. I am not a mother. I am not a caretaker. So long
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Sorry, I just had to call. Why is the baby crying?
The baby, they're fine. They're having fun.
There's food in the fridge. Give him food.
Yeah, you don't worry. You just focus on your work. Yeah, okay, bye.
Later that same evening.
What is it?
Babe.
30K dollars.
Wake up.
Where is she here?
That's the baby. Wake up. How is it, baby?
Who's that?
Now what for you, bro?
You are pregnant, kid.
I'm 6 weeks gone. Yeah, fuck up, bro.
Because you are now the one in charge.
Wait, Kike, don't tell me say you not that girl overnight. You dey play? That girl will carry you go as Kamaya. Which I knock you like Kamaya. You know say you don't marry, sha. Forget that one. Which one you don't marry? You dey want yourself me. If you Kike, it's okay. I still dey street. You don't know. Forget marriage. Which one be married? But pour more. Think with me. My phone dey ring. My woman.
Forget marriage.
Hello. Hello. Hey. Bokri.
You have been busted.
Yeah, where's my food? I don't understand. I ordered 3 portions of jollof rice and 2 beef. Why am I seeing half rice here and half meat?
Hey, I help you chop small in case poison dey inside. Because this thing is for your own safety.
Shut up your mouth! Don't tell me that! Don't tell me that nonsense! Chief, who can they stress you? Did you know this boy? I ordered for rice, 3 portions of jollof rice and 2 meats. He gave me about a half rice and a half meat.
Chief, if there is another person to deliver for Lagos, why you not send me active pass?
No baby, they deliver rice.
Baba, listen to me. Any transaction will pay me attention. I dey deliver at ease. If you bring it for me.
See, you know the painful part? Even the goat that I ordered, it's not even in the food. Not me.
We go and do scapegoats. If you not arrest one delivery boy for this town, others no go learn. More arrest this one.
Exactly, let's go. Collect the food for me. You pass like this.
Baba, more they go.
No baby, what happened to the jollof rice?
Baba, I don't collect my 30%.
30% for jollof rice. When I know they sleep.
Baba, listen to me, yo. Now one dream, now they run go sleep. Who they pushing dream, now they run from sleep. I rest my case on God. As a man.
Yeah.
This one a dream for dream.
They were all surprised because Undu baby is a crazy man.
What's going on here?
Correct Aboki on this one.
With the way this country is going now, what do you think about this economy?
With the way this economy of Nigeria is going, number one, MTN and Airtel. MTN and Airtel, they won't kill somebody. Data money don't cost 1 gig, maybe 350, now 500 naira. If Airtel and MTN do not bring down the cost of data in this country, somebody gonna die. I swear to God Almighty, them go kill somebody. I know if you watch, we'll move him again.
All right, thank you for the information. The government will look into it.
Please,
sorry.
Nigerian government, then Allah do something about it.
Do something.
Thank you and God bless you.
All right, thank you. That money. Now we get them. We dey use and shoot for here. This money. Now we put down for here. You know, tell them ni. Yes, now we dey use and give us a bit. You know, tell them now money now. Bring for sure, man. For sure now.
He's gone. Allah know you are watch out.
Using money to
My man.
my God.
That's just a guy. What's up, man? Why you just dress like a girl like this, man?
Your grandma did not teach you how to dress.
Bro, you don't make am, bro.
Bro, your mama that time for school we say you're gonna cover your book. You say make you like your brother.
I beg, not be that work. I come for you. You know, say you get one money for me.
Money, I deal with you, my bro. But first of all, what do you want to take now? I got to entertain you.
I beg, just give me money. No worry.
Calm down. How much you want to collect, bro? You need 100K. I got telephone and BTC now. Make I give you the wine.
But wait.
Bro, chill. Make I give you the wine. Make you stay wined up now. Make they don't wine. You listen to Lagos today. You guys take wine. Make they don't wine you. Don't fuck with me, my bro. You don't go far now.
Continue.
How far are your babe now? I'm a car. Kilo shell. I say that they knock your babe.
You don't date single like this.
You date single.
I just.
Now. I just stay.
I don't get money. You tell you get it.
Now you don't even get money till you die, bro. No worry. I beg you go to beg. Now we go to help you.
Oh yeah, I beg. That I agree with the beg.
Okay, you just fish here now.
Okay.
You know what is up now. When last you pray?
What thing be this? No be that one. You know, say this.
Don't worry, I got you. I won't cool your mind now. Make I calm you down.
I don't need anything like this.
Oh, chill. Make I stay cheese up. What's going on here? Yeah, she's spinning around for my man.
What's happen? Don't be waiting at the find with this one. I say now, upon their care, the find.
Bro, stay cheese up.
That's what I do for you.
Man, no. I'm feeling the drink, okay?
Cute boy.
Cute boy.
This is
I'm going to
plain.
make you feel so comfortable. Don't worry.
Don't you like it?
God have mercy upon us.
Don't you like what you say?
Aji, I like it.
Oh my god.
Continue.
You really do not need help.
What thing be this?
Wake up. Early morning for Lagos, they sleep.
The mates don't reach work. They find daily bread for their wife. Give her account number, more come out.
Oga transfer our 1 million, won't come up for you.
Jesus.
I tell you, which will be 1 million? Now bank with it.
No. Now your mama house, now you did. Now caterpillar they take carry you which year. When you did do yesterday, don't know what you did do. I don't
wait.
Give her account.
Now what I don't like this. I do my own JJ yesterday. I do my own. Now come meet me. They rub my chest.
When we rob you, why you not pursue us?
I don't know. Okay, your time don't go.
No, my guy, carry now. Come meet my guy now. Why you going to disturb me for here?
Who this one they talk about?
Us when you live on Lagos.
What I trying to say?
Who you they talk about? Your guy don't go. He say he go settle us.
Chase, say my people settle you.
I'm sorry for that.
When you live on Lagos. Because you don't enter one chance where you not go ever free from.
You sure say no come on?
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you. I beg.
My corner.
What's going on here?
Knock and wear, babe. Keep key inside your bag.
Yeah? That's what I do for you.
My corner.
The number you dialed is switched off.
This guy no go again, sha.
What is this one they talk?
If you not go, you'll go find and come back. Because now one chance now you enter like this, so you better you pay this money before I enter you.
God help me that day.
I don't get money. Small piece of my where I get. This guy chase me, will come up for my life.
Now we go chase the remaining one. Give us someone.
Actually going to chase it. Let's see if other BMW on this one. Practice make. Yes, practice.
Everybody don't laugh. Now
Oga, how much you make I code for you? On top my hand.
They say you tea.
For life, it's this boy.
Come, because you go accompany me.
How you guys doing?
You get one guy where they owe me money for number 1. For almost 1 month, he never give me the money. And let me go together.
You want it in peace or in pieces?
Jesus.
Don't go pieces person picking. This one money I just want to go collect. Come on, they go abeg.
Come, maybe you go find me something.
Guy, you too like something. Which one be something? I go find you something now. This
money
don't bro, with my money.
Bro, big, calm down.
Which one be calm down? No, just tell me so make I calm down for you. Bro, you know you owe me this money for almost 1 month. 1 month. I leave you. I don't forgive you. Today I come with my guy. I say today I must collect the money by force.
Abeg, try understand me. Even like this, but they owe like 5 people. The pressure too much for my head. Now I'm gonna pay myself.
Jesus.
Like this, I don't put poison for the bread.
Jesus.
Poison which bread?
That's bread.
Bros, you poison a whole loaf?
Jesus.
Chairman, do you have butter?
Equals to. What's going on?
Since you have already poisoned it, let me use butter to finish it, so I'll know what I eat.
Ayo, you don't say break up with this girl. Not see where you dey gain. This girl dey stress you morning, afternoon, night. What happen? You fat pass like this before. Have you not seen Showboy? Showboy, which is when you break up with the babe, so you not see life done better. Sweet Showboy dey shine. Oh, sorry, na son. Guy, you just dey talk this. It's not easy for me. It's not hard. Na simple thing, bro. Don't one. Go break up. Oga, go. You don't want again.
Hey, your babe. See, I want to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me? Talk now.
It is over between us. I think I'm done. I'm done with this relationship.
Are you breaking up with me?
I'm breaking up with you, yes.
Are you after everything I've done for you? Are you being serious?
Yes.
I knew you were a scumbag. I don't know what I'm doing with you. Wait, where are people going? I made jollof rice or chicken just in case.
Dissolve! Toby Showboy! You don't break up.
Now, man, you be.
Lord, have mercy upon us.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
We must learn a lesson.
Still beat you. I will still beat you. Even my leg betrayed me. This one's from Gentuu and Gentuu on this one.
Hi. You look so cool, right? What's your name?
My name is Gentuu.
I would like you to get to know me and get to see the whole of me. How about we get out of here? Or maybe I give you my number. So sweet.
You don't have book. When write it on the hand. Yeah, the brain was this book. Make sure nobody cleans that thing though. Just go and snap your hand, snap it. If I were him, I would have snapped the hand. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished.
Tonight, she told me everything is alright.
Young couple, are you sure he's satisfying you?
Sometimes.
How long do you last?
20 minutes, Papa.
Is that okay for you?
Not all the time, Papa.
Because I need to know the rate of divorce is too much in this 2040, and this is the main cause of it. So I need to know. You need to be able to fire her well. Ask your friends, even the unbelievers, ask them for root. Hey! You understand? Because it is sex that spoiled my first marriage. Oh. So you need to sit up. You understand? Up your and you. If you are not okay with it, talk now. I don't want to join you now. The next thing you have done, so come, don't make me an anyhow man of God. Oh.
He should enlarge his stuff to be like this.
Jesus! Are you willing to do that?
For the sake of the marriage, I'm willing.
Grace for enlargement.
Come, let's go and do this now. Yeah, baby.
Landlady, you too old. I'm not doing this thing. If landlord catch me for here, you know what you go do.
My husband, forget about that old fool. Come, let's go and do this thing.
You don't stand before you marry him. I'm not doing anything. What is going on here? Oga landlord, thank God see you don't come. This show useless. Jesus! Idiot! You came and they call my wife useless. As for you, tell me what did happen.
My husband, is this your useless tenant? He's trying to force himself on me.
Oga landlord, now yo. If I hear one more word from you, I go cut out your tongue. Jesus! Everything I don't do for you, I will say you're the parent again. You want to sleep with my wife? Oh, God, Lord, I don't dare you have more than 20 years now. You know I don't do this kind of thing now. I know. Oh, God, Lord, you don't know anything. I need to prove myself innocent to you. I have all the voice record of everything that happened.
Come on, listen to it here.
Madam, open this leg for me. No, let me tear your clothes, oh. No, let me tear your clothes, oh. I dey talk and small now. I know they won't hear me. If I activate this bad move, I go destroy your world.
So delete that record.
Look. Hello? You're that guy. Where are you? I'm outside your estate. What do you mean you're not going again? Are you okay? What do you mean? After you waited all my time, I drove all the way from Junction to your estate. You're telling me you're not going again. Are you okay? If you cancel that ride, God will cancel your life. Are you mad? You know who you're talking to? You're insulting me? You want to fight? Come outside. If they born you well, come and repeat that thing here. Come outside now. I'm outside your house. Come outside. Today I will show you that I am not somebody you should be messing with. Come. God bless you. Come. It's me you're talking to. It's me you're talking to anyhow. Are you okay? Is it me you're talking to like that? Wait, mommy, wait. Mommy, wait. Let me call you back. What happened? Mommy? Hello? 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 Hey, mommy. So you're the one I'm talking to over the phone?
Yes, you say make I come outside, you will do your mind, have you?
No, come on. No, I came here to tell you that the way you talk to me, it's quite disrespectful, sir. You shouldn't be talking to people like that. Especially,
so what you won't do?
Nothing. Nothing.
What you won't do?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Who am I?
I just respect you because of your old age.
Thank you. God bless you. As you respect me, let me respect you too. You go and I go. Over anything. Okay, no problem. You're not okay. Be quiet. Only show you. You're the byline. Hey, mommy. Who's that man? Help me, boss. Security. Mommy. Hey, mommy. You see that man? Mommy, help me. Help me. Hey, mommy.
No. Before you look for trouble. Now they have got
Edda, this one you summoned me by the time of the afternoon. What is going on? Don't bother. The reason why I called you today to come to my house is because I want you to experience a thing that you will never experience in your life and your entire generation. What is that? I want you to break your head now. Don't touch me again. You know when my wife was pregnant, you are busy running up and down from one native doctor to the other. So she will not put to bed. So today, I want you to experience a thing that you will never experience in your life. What is that? What is that? They are here. Good afternoon.
Uncle. Good afternoon. Kept my camera. Because I love stopping.
So my son, let me just go straight to the point. And the reason why I called you, I want you to witness and see for yourself that my son here, that lives in the city, brought a woman to I and my lovely wife. You know we are getting old. We need somebody that will call us granny and grandpa. This is what I will call you. So my son, please, who is this young lady and where is she from?
Daddy, meet Melody. Mommy, meet Melody. We have been together for months now. Remember that time I was not feeling fine? That time you came to me in that hospital. That was where I met her. She's a transgender.
What is transgender?
Mommy, she was a man before.
Jesus!
Where are you people going to now?
If you ask me that thing again, I'm waiting to break your head. Don't let me ask you if you're a transgender. Can anything good come out from Israel?
At least we have a daughter-in-law now. Yeah, my son. I don't clap for bed before.
Because Nigeria does not be Black Jesus. Now Black Jesus will be for this country.
The person you got to surprise.
Madam, good afternoon.
Yeah, just from like that, pass my shop, boss. So, are you okay? So you don't carry this your two left leg, come here to come borrow again. You don't see as this shop don't they machete for your eye? You won't come for this small business while I use the manage with my children. Can you imagine,
Madam, it just they talk like say no sabi my news before. Me we been get money, if no be say I carry family problem for head.
You see that's why they talk like your problem, But if to say you be man of your words, I for still assist you, I for tell you where you go get help. But you not be man of your words, I not go feel help you, Ndoka. I not go give you anything from this shop today.
Madam, if you know people go assist me, they hide them from me. Madam, I swear, if you fit tell me better tune, what will carry me to come your shop again?
Ndoka, you promise me say if I give you this information, you not go come borrow anything from this my shop.
Madam, I swear I no go try am.
Okay. Ndoka, before I go give you that information, you need to bring guarantor. Person will go sign for you because I not trust you.
Guarantor, shorty, I dey come. Madam, I don't carry my shorty come. Ikuku. If I ever borrow anything for this woman's hand, after she give me information, Mark.
Officer of the law. If I borrow money for this woman hand again, after she give me information, arrest me.
Okay.
Madam, I'm serious. Help me. Help me. Madam, help me. I'm the first son.
Endoka, if you know say you dey in deep need of help, now Master General's Foundation you go meet to. You see those people, now then don't make up their mind, say they go they put smile for people face. Then they help widows, then they help orphans. Even as an adult where you know if you find yourself, you go meet them, then go help you. What you need to do now to just go their Instagram handle, share their good works where they don't they do for people. One day you go reach your turn and make sure say now original information you they give them about you. I beg, no carry your family problem, come this my small business. Make you no fall on for me, I they beg you. I not get any other thing because
Madam, thank you. Madam, no verse. This is my shorty. Them I carry them from far. I visit 2,000 for your hand. Ma, use give them transport. Iwundu, also now.
Okay, agreement na agreement. Even if you don't run, let me go police station.
This beggy day in blood.
He has been arrested. The policeman is the worst so far. Someone ran man, I did it.
Baby girl, don't worry, let's check. Where is the receptionist?
Sorry, sir. I was busy inside.
How much is your room here? I think you like this place now.
Yeah, it's nice.
Sir, a night is 70,000 naira.
Come big.
Sorry, sir, I forgot myself. I can remember now.
No worry. Come closer, my brother. Come closer.
A night is 50,000.
Babe, calm down. You're bigger than this money we're talking about. Are you here to embarrass me?
And let's just go back to that place. They give us 5,000 a night. Now just for me and you to just hold mosquito coil for hand till they break. Now 5 days you want to spend. This money, if you calculate on 5 days, now person has rent. Let's just go back there.
And you want me to follow you to that local place called an hotel? I think I just go now.
So you may say if you no be here, you no go do.
Yeah, maybe you just have to just book my flights. Let me just go back.
Flight? Don't go. I think I will pay. I still remember the only man who started Yahoo for night. Cash out invest $500 million for money. My brother, put your account number here. I will pay for the 5 days. Don't worry. I don't send the money for you. 250,000.
I'll say so.
Oh yeah, now over. Carry those things. They go inside.
Let me tell you this thing. My boss, my father, and go inside. Who is your boss? It's my boss here. Sir, please, you don't allow this kind of thing here.
You don't allow it. Since I never see price of food here.
Sir, the food is not expensive. It's just 25,000 naira.
25,000. Yes, sir. Very cheap. 25 times 3 is how much?
75,000, sir.
Times 5.
Times 5. 375,000, sir.
Then times 2. Now 2 we dey here now. Now 5 days we go spend.
Sir, it's just ordinary 750,000, sir.
Do you have it?
No, sir. I've not seen this kind of money before.
Open door for me now. I need to go carry 3 bags of pure water on the other side.
Pure water again? But sir, we have got water here. It's just 5,000 naira.
Fine, yeah. As it stands now, I don't pay as rent for this place. So now Indomie you go the job. You go the manager go to the water for the 5 days before you go. I better go climb bed. Don't go run the place the way it's supposed to be. Let's go fast,
I told you by the time I'm done with you, you're gonna lose your 2 legs. And me, now don't get the like. I hope you can go 2 hours.
For person when leg no good.
And the air where you go babs this morning. And the air where you go babs this morning. Normal person go babs this morning. Go they come by this kind of time. Towards in the evening.
Many customers there.
Okay, many customers there. Give my. Are the skin cut? I'm not telling me bab skin cut. I'm not telling me the bab skin cut. Not the skin cut are the bab. Where they see my eyes, not the skin cut.
The balloon goes to bring my face out where?
What do you talk?
Goes to bring my face out.
The bololo don't use to bring your face out where? They misbehave. Okay. Make I tell you. You want the fun fine boy, the fun fine person. They bab. Where you bab this hair now? So before you know that the head up bush again. Before you know that the head up bush. Then who go call the baba? Let me go the baba. You're not to the mete hair.
Big boy.
What is up?
I'm a big boy.
Big
boy.
Go to ask my go baba and my ugly.
This is fine.
Bam, put you. Come on, move. You follow me the drag bed. Man, mash your leg. Man, mash your leg. Doctor.
This man!
You must fool yourself, you must disgrace yourself. You will not just look at woman come on. Mind your own business now.
Mess up, bro. Hey! Mess up.
When the police people start staying in this place, checkpoint is not supposed to be here now. Nah, these police people say. You see. Jesus. Officer.
Well done.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Officer, may I just see this 1,000 buy bottle?
Come on. Stop that nonsense. Do we look like corrupt officer in your eyes?
Want to bribe us?
Young man, bring out your paper. Who they do that one with you? Is this an every officer where you see now you gonna give bribe? Bring out your paper, young man.
Officer, I'm in a haste. I don't know if you people can just collect this 1,000.
Okay, take that money. Take that 1,000 away.
Bro, you look at that shop.
Roadworthiness. 10 permits. Custom paper. Police extra. Proof of ownership.
Officer. Everything is complete, Abi.
Your paper is complete.
Thank you, sir.
I know you gotta bring that 1,000 away. Won't give us now. Later.
You say what?
The 1,000 away, you won't give us. Just give us.
Officer, I can't give you that 1,000. When I came here, I gave you the 1,000. I told you let me go. You said no. You wasted my time. After wasting my time, you still want me to give you that 1,000. I can't give you anything.
You know, give me the money.
Young
man, your tinted permit is not there. Your paper is not
permit.
Yes, it's not there.
My tinted permit.
Yes, it's not there.
Officer, this I not see where you put that for pocket. I mean, come on.
So if you see me. Sorry. Najmi say no for collect that 1K.
I know you don't late. Come out,
500.
Come out.
200.
Come out.
Baba 100. Jesus. Now, Sergeant.
Jesus.
That 1,000 for a long way. I swear. Now my brother pride really go ahead before 4.
Alright.
Who pursue 15 minutes go day.
Do you want to place many bets?
You
But
know
you are
why
afraid
they
that
rejected
some might
the
lose.
money?
Bet on
Maybe-
top beans promo. If you play up to 10 games and 9 cards, you still win. All you just need to do is register with my promo code ISONO and get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Place an accumulator with 10 events. If 9 out of them win, get a 9% bonus on your potential win. So you don't have to be scared again of one bet because heartbreak no day again.
I
told my father I'm not going to be poor like him. Never.
This apartment is nice. Who is that? Hello. Please, who are you?
Oh no, I be room service where I don't want come clean your room inside small.
Well, you know even knock.
Who go knock? I be room service where I don't want come clean your room inside small. No more than check.
So you for knock, you know.
God have mercy.
Just
was barge into somebody's room.
Room service.
Room service.
Yes, sir.
Please, a minute. You know, I just came to town. Going to live here for 3 days.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I don't know if you can help me get, girl or, that kind of...
You don't start.
Girl, when you want to talk, you don't be talk. You don't get problem. The right now, I foresee your mind. You don't want hookup or you don't want a shower.
No be a shower. I want hookup.
You don't get problem. I'm a champion woman searcher for the whole area. People know me. But the right now, if you settle me, so I go find the hookup give you. If you give me $50,000
It's not a problem. Go and bring the hookup. Don't worry. Okay.
$50,000 it's not a problem.
Oh, it's not a problem. Just go and bring it. Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Are you sure you know what you're asking for? Are you not a criminal?
Myself with.
Pull up, nigga.
Jesus! Ow! Come inside. It's
You go regret your life, don't worry. You don't have sense, oh.
What is that? The what is that?
You think it's a joke? Are you whining yourself?
Hello?
Jesus! Let's have it. Let's have it. What is he?
Jesus!
Hey!
Yay!
What is going on here?
What is going on, Mini? $500,000 US. Oh, Tony, hey, I'm free.
God have mercy
You will
upon
not
us.
go. As you do, you don't enjoy.
Better can you go? Don't worry.
Don't tell me that one is as man to man. But while it was, you should have suspected now. You should have known. You don't enjoy please. Oh, maybe Konji made him, not be able to recognize that he was a man. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for commenting. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for sharing my content, because I know you're definitely going to share. You're definitely going to like. You're definitely going to, comment and all that. Thank you guys very much. And also, guys, we're actually going to be diving into some funny scenes in this comedy compilation. Meanwhile, every scenes are funny, but we're actually going to point out some funny scene that I think it is funnier, So if you're not satisfied with mine, you can actually, write down the funny scene that thrill you most in the comment box below. So guys, let's quickly talk about, I think we have to talk about Iwundu. I've never seen where somebody call himself an Azaman. The only thing Azaman does is to pick money coming from abroad. The only thing they do is to pick it up, but on the cat turn now. When work no day to pick money, when work never come to do pick up, on the car go they pick anything. To an extent they went to pick rice, 30%. Even food, on the car. So let's see Shopofo on this one. When the guy actually came first, Shopofo thought maybe he could be a good man to his girlfriend. A guy came first and they chased him away because he came with a very low car, low budget car. But this time around, Wasiu was seen with a heavy jeep. He was a big man in the comedy, and the Shopofo actually needs to dress up like a woman, because not be only girlfriend will share the money, not be only girlfriend will chop the money, and it could be at risk for allowing his girlfriend to go alone, because there is no way the girlfriend wouldn't have accepted Wasiu. Even Shopofo was present there. That was why he knew all that and just moved and left the girl alone, and the girl went into the car and was following them at the back. That was hilarious and crazy, man. Very hilarious and crazy. So what if they get to where they are going? Is the guy actually going to find out that Shopofo is not a woman? I don't know, but the comedy ends there. I so much love this guy, and his way of talking, his ways of mimicking Tinubu is actually 100% correct. Very, very correct. And you can argue that in the comments. The guy knows how to mimic Tinubu. It's like Tinubu is his father. Everything, how Tinubu talks, how Tinubu moves, how Tinubu shakes, everything, he can mimic it perfectly. And I love the way he mimics it. And the guy is also actually a comedian as well. He is a comedian, a stand-up comedian. And I was shocked to see him on this comedy, and I think he's not actually going to do well, but he acted perfectly. He did great, and we all laugh, and I like his comedy. So if you like this guy's comedy and you have missed King Jabi, the Gagatuan guy, let me see your comment in the comment box below. Let's talk about Mozkoh. Though it's been long, Mozkoh posted, and it just released one, and that is what we just watched. And this time around it's about sacrifice. Someone was going her own to drop or to deposit the sacrifice on the road. Now she know what she dey into. Mozkoh is just a neutral person. Why would you stop somebody? Even you are crushing on her, you don't have the permission to stop her at that point in time, that particular pace of time, at that particular time in the night. You're not scared. And now look at the spirits are all chasing you up and down. What I don't understand is that I don't know if he joins them or he actually, I don't know if they forgive him or I don't know. I don't really know the way it ends. If you have an idea how it ends, if Mozkoh actually joined this spirit or he was actually, forgiving, let me know in the comment below. Please let me know. Don't forget to do that. And Madiba, the last one we're going to talk about is Madiba. This is extremely funny. How can you be like so loud? You're so loud, like opened as a pastor. Well, it's good. They're adults. The people you're talking with are adults. So, but the girl is something else. The wife. You're not even ashamed to say you want your husband to be like this, to be like this. And the pastor now wants to pray for enlargement. Who is that? Who is that? The grace to enlarge. So God will give you the power, the ability to move to the doctor that will enlarge it for him. I think we've come to the end of this, and I believe you enjoyed this wonderful review. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation. Please don't forget to like and share this video, comment, and also if you have not subscribed as you're watching, please subscribe, do so, and make sure you like and comment. Very important, like and comment, share. We're going to see you guys. Have a wonderful time. Stay blessed, stay out of trouble. Expect more banger from crityreacts. Bye bye.